You've probably seen some of the headlines about Canadians maybe making fewer trips to the U.S. this spring. It seems like some of that slowdown is impacting companies like Airbnb. I want to bring in Brad Erickson, who's an equity analyst at RBC Capital Markets, tracks the company, and was watching the latest quarterly results. Brad, nice to see you. Is that true? Is the travel softness impacting Airbnb?
Yeah, it absolutely is. Booking talked about, Canadians going to Mexico and different places. I think Airbnb even mentioned places like Japan. In this case, U.S. inbound's only 2 or 3% of the business, so it's not that big of a deal. The issue is they're seeing what they call longer lead time bookings. So those are bookings that you're making for, out beyond a couple weeks and farther out. They're seeing those bookings slow down, particularly for the less affluent customers. And so, those can still come back at some point. They haven't seen short lead time bookings come down. But that less affluent customer is showing some sensitivity, and that's affecting the business.
And this is a really interesting stretch for tech. We were talking a little bit about it before the break. And, at the end of the day, I saw that you lowered your price target for the shares, but your price target is still above where the stock trades today. And this is always, the long-term question with these tech companies. They're generally out of favor right now. But if they have disrupted a lot of traditional business, and someone's got to get the travel dollars over the next decade, who gets those? So I guess my final question is, what's the long-term view from your perspective on an Airbnb?
Yeah, I would say, these guys are going to grow. Online travel grows faster than the travel market, generally speaking, and the travel market grows faster than, GDP. So that part of it is nice. The problem is you're settling into a room night growth rate, which is kind of really how we assess the level of growth here, kind of heading towards like the mid-single digits, 6, 7, 8%. That's not what we would necessarily characterize as disruptive growth. It's actually closer to in line with even some of the C Corp hotel companies. So longer term, this will continue to be a growth business, just probably not at the rate people were thinking. And so that gets difficult to justify a higher multiple. You mentioned the price target. Fair, it's a little bit above where the stock, but I would also focus we're equal weight sector perform rated, so not outperform.
Thank you for that clarification, too. Just a quick final question, because I think everybody's trying to figure out how AI gets weaved into like a lot of different businesses as well. We've heard a lot of it in the, especially in the online travel world. Like who wins that? The integration of new technology, if you are sort of a tech-first business.
Yeah. So, if you ask the companies this, they're going to focus on the user experience, customer support. Airbnb mentioned they're getting some benefits already on the customer support side. So I think, from a discoverability standpoint, we all know that if you're using ChatGPT or Google's AI overviews, like you can help trip planning and all that stuff. I don't actually think that moves the needle. I'll throw something out that's maybe not to be overly negative this morning, but I actually see disruption potential for this space with AI, particularly around search. And I think, the short-term rental space is a space that you're seeing at a startup activity level, really starting to professionalize itself, make itself available on the internet a lot more. And I think what we'll find in the future potentially is that, through AI, discovering properties is going to be a lot more possible on a direct basis. And in fact, we've found instances where you can actually use Airbnb almost as a meta search engine to then go and book directly with the company and save a ton of money. So I think that's kind of something we talk about, not very many people talk about. But there's disruption potential longer term.
I'm glad you brought that in, because everybody's just, if they can go straight to the AI to kind of get exactly what they need, what does that mean, even if you're a younger business? Brad, great perspective. We got to run, but good to have you with us. Brad Erickson of RBC on the Airbnb story. And